Hey everyone, here's a brief update on EURUSD. Today's price action has shown the bullish movement I anticipated earlier. However, it's worth noting that the price didn't retrace back to the rejection block I identified as my entry point. By the way, if you're curious about the top-down analysis that guided this conclusion, feel free to click on the video in the top right corner of your screen. I've covered it there, as it's too much to delve into again in this short update. As I mentioned earlier, my plan was to wait for a long entry at the rejection block, highlighted with a yellow line. Apart from that, I refrained from trading it, and true to my word, I didn't make any trades on EURUSD, not even on demo. But how does today's price action on EURUSD impact my plan for the week? And what's my strategy for the upcoming Non-Farm Payroll (NFP) release? Well, if you notice, the price has created a bullish fair value gap on the 4-hour chart. This adds confluence to my idea that the market bullish movement can still unfold, but not as anticipated. So, how do I plan to adjust my anticipation based on today's price action? I'll be waiting for the price to retrace down to the bullish fair value gap on the 4-hour chart within Wednesday's London open session. My aim is to target the 4-hour bearish order block as my first target, and the lower end of the daily fair value gap as my second and final target. As for my plan for the NFP release on Friday, it's still early to predict how the price will react. Thursday's price action is crucial, as it provides a key indicator of what the NFP might do. Overall, if you've watched the top-down analysis video, you'll notice that the market has been consolidating on the monthly, weekly, and daily charts. This makes me leaning to anticipate a muddy price action on the NFP release, which leads me to conclude that I'll be doing myself a favor by avoiding trading during the NFP release. With the market showing signs of consolidation across various timeframes, it's prudent to steer clear of potentially unpredictable price movements. If you found value in this video, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. However, please use the information provided in a demo environment only. I'm not a trade advisor, and trading carries inherent risks. Always practice caution and do your own research before making any financial decisions. Till next time, be safe.